The third one, 1 over 4 of, don't forget, 4 over 1. So it will be equals to, this one should be very easy for you. So 4 can divide 4 once. So 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1. So you multiply 1 times 1 equals to 1 over 1. So everything here is 1. Again, the fourth one, 3 over 4 of 12 then over 1. So it should be equals to, 4 can divide 12 3 times. That means 4 can enter 12 3 times. So 4 here, 1, 4 into 12, 3. Yes. So you multiply 3 by 3, 9. Okay, over 1. So which is still 9. Now let's try again the last one. 2 over 3 of 18. So over 1, which should be equals to 3 into 18 is possible. So 3 will enter 18 6 times. That's means so you just strike it. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 6. So you are done with the calculation. So now you go and multiply 2 times 6, which give you 12 over 1, which is give you 12. That is the final answer.